Hello everybody, and welcome to my video here on YouTube or my website. I'm so glad that you've joined me. Today I want to share with you my Blessed to Craft Make and Take projects for the month of June. Here in the month of June, we are diving into the new catalog. The annual catalog has really beautiful product. I'm starting out with this In Symmetry paper, which is just right up my alley. It's so pretty. The colors, just jade and night of navy, calypso coral. I really love it. So let me share with you what Blessed to Craft is all about and why you're going to be so excited to join. First, when you join a brand new member, you will get a welcome packet that comes with this pretty packaging here, and then it comes with a pack of dimensionals along with a punch card. So when you are a part of Blessed to Craft for 6 months in a row, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product. You get a product pack, and it's always so fun to get those. So that's what you get when you join your very first month. And what Blessed to Craft is projects that you get to make every month that are make and take projects. So you will get these, and then at the end of the month, on the 28th, I do a live video where we put these together. If you can't be around for the live video, it's okay because everything is recorded. So this month, you are getting some of the In Symmetry designer paper. So that's always fun to get this new paper, check it out, see if the colors and the patterns are something that you will really love, which I'm sure that you will. And then our projects for the month are going to be these 3 projects. And with these, you get the designer paper, you get a roll of the Flirty Flamingo Gold speckled ribbon, which is beautiful. It's so lovely to work with. It ties bows beautifully. And then you will also get a set of the In Color squares. I was a little hesitant about these until I got them and started using them, and then I really fell in love with them. And then these are our projects. We'll be making 2 cards, and then you will get one of these scalloped boxes. Have you ever ordered product thinking, oh, I think it's like this, or I think I will like that, and then you get it and you're kind of disappointed and you feel like, that's not exactly what I thought it was? That has totally happened to me. So the great thing about Blessed to Craft is you get to try out these products, and then you don't have to commit to like a full pack of this. So this in particular, you will get a scalloped box, and you can get it and try it out and see if you like it and not have to commit to a whole package. The other perk is that when you are part of Blessed to Craft, if you like the product that I'm featuring this month, it's the In Symmetry bundle. If you like that, then you can add it on to your kit and you don't pay shipping or tax on the product. So it's a perk to club members that they don't have to pay shipping or tax on that product. Of course, I always have a class option available. If you do not want to join Blessed to Craft, you can get this class option for $56. It comes with the card kits, the stamp set, and the punch, along with the ribbon and the embellishments. You will have a video to see how to put the projects together, and you will also get the PDF. You will also get access to the bonus project for Blessed to Craft. It's very easy to sign up for the class option only. Just look for the link that says class option only, which is directly below the Blessed to Craft monthly option. So that is our Blessed to Craft projects for this month. I would love for you to sign up. It's $35 a month. You get $20 in product. You get a 6-month gift. You get a welcome packet. And then we also have an exclusive bonus project that only you as members get to see. It's not done live for anybody else. Last month, we made a really cute flamingo box that I loved doing. And that was our bonus project. So you get access to that bonus project as well. There is a link in the description below or over on my website for you to fill out the form to join. You can join for a month-to-month basis, or you can join for 3 months or 6 months and save a little bit of money. All of my club members get all of my stuff early. So they get all of the catalog access early. They get access to any of my specials early. They get a gift from me at different times. I include little gifts in their packages. It's just a fun thing. It really is my favorite part of doing this, is being able to send you guys out packets of products that you get to make and create. I think it's so fun to package them up and send them out to you, and then we get to craft together, which is my goal, is to create and share with you and find ways to connect with you. So if you're interested, please visit those links. I appreciate you guys so much. I will be back later this week with more projects for you, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video, and I will talk to you guys later this week.